Lately, AI-generated videos featuring animals grooming or shaving each other have been getting a massive amount of engagement and views. In this video, I'm going to show you the logic behind these videos and exactly how you can create this type of content yourself. First, open Gemini. Paste the specially updated master prompt I've prepared for this concept into the message box. You can quickly customize the variables within the master prompt, either manually or with the help of an AI tool, to fit the specific length and scenario of the video you want to create. You can find this master prompt and detailed instructions on how to use it in the Master Prompts channel of our free Telegram group, which is linked in the description, along with our other community links. Since these videos are designed for short and fast-paced consumption, I've requested 2 image prompts and 2 video prompts. First, copy the first generated image prompt and head over to OpenArt AI. In OpenArt, select the Create Image option and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste the copied prompt into the prompt section and select the 9:16 vertical format. Depending on your budget, you can choose different resolutions and image generation models. Once we check the generated image and confirm it's exactly what we want, we save it. Since we want to avoid any unwanted changes in our scene, we'll go to the Edit Image section on the OpenArt site and upload the image we just downloaded. Then, return to Gemini, copy the second image prompt, paste it into the prompt box on OpenArt, and generate our second scene image. The reason we use the Edit Image section is to achieve perfect consistency between the scenes. After our images are ready, go back to Gemini and copy the first video prompt. Return to OpenArt and select the Frame to Video section. Again, you can use different models and output settings based on your budget. For this one, I'm selecting VO 3.1 as the video generation model and Fast as the mode. I'm placing the first scene image into the Start Frame section, and then I'll paste my video prompt into the prompt box. Make sure the audio setting is on, select the 9:16 vertical format, set it to 1080p quality and 8 seconds in length, then click the Create button. The final result will look something like this. Thanks for watching. To keep leveling up your content creation skills, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.